Most men think attraction is about clever lines, fancy dates, or trying to impress her. But here's the truth. The women you notice, the ones who seem out of reach, they don't just respond to effort, they respond to energy, presence, and subtle moves most men never even notice. Curious. Today, I'm going to show you how small, powerful shifts in the way you carry yourself can make her see you in a completely new light, even if she didn't notice you before. Welcome to the Female Psyche, where we dive deep into understanding attraction, connection, and the subtle ways to make a woman notice you. Today, we're uncovering powerful strategies to shift her perception, spark curiosity, and build real emotional chemistry, even if she didn't see you that way before. Love and desire aren't simple, and they're rarely clear-cut. A woman might not show interest immediately, but that doesn't mean there's no chance. Often, just a small shift in how you carry yourself, think, or behave can open doors in her heart you didn't even imagine. So, if you've ever looked at her and thought, I don't stand a chance, pause right there, because what you're about to learn could completely change the game. We all deserve connection, attention, and appreciation. And sometimes the tiniest changes spark the deepest emotional breakthroughs. That's what we're exploring today. Straightforward, powerful ways to turn quiet indifference into genuine connection, instead of waiting for some perfect moment. Excited? Let's dive into how charm, presence, subtle psychology, and confidence can make her notice you, even if she didn't before. It all starts with confidence and a simple smile. Let's start with eye contact, the kind that changes everything. Eye contact is more than a glance. It's intentional, grounded, and emotionally aware. Most men overlook this. Focus on her left eye. Curious research shows that looking there can trigger oxytocin, the love hormone, the same one released during deep hugs or vulnerable moments. It builds trust, closeness, and emotional connection without words. Next time you're talking to her, slow down, breathe, and meet her gaze calmly and warmly. Not forced, not intense, just steady and sincere. Let your eyes say, I see you, you matter. Sighs. Words can deceive, but eyes rarely lie. When your gaze radiates care and confidence, you become memorable. Next, let's talk about something often underestimated, your scent. The right fragrance doesn't just boost your confidence, it makes you more attractive. Curious smell is tied directly to emotional memory, so a subtle, clean, intriguing scent becomes part of your identity in her mind. Imagine she catches a hint of it, maybe the same one you wore when you hugged her. Instantly, she thinks of you. A fragrance can anchor emotions, create subtle intimacy, and make you feel more grounded, thoughtful. Choose one that fits you. Calm and steady. Go for woody or musky tones, mysterious or intense. Try spicy or dark citrus notes. Small touches like this can leave a lasting impression without a word. Anxiety is another obstacle for many men, but it doesn't have to control you. Sighs. A little nervousness is normal, especially if she seems distant. Natural ways to calm yourself, like L-theanine from green tea, ashwagandha, or magnesium glycinate, can reduce stress, help you sleep better, and let your confident, authentic self shine. Exhales. Attraction flows naturally when you're relaxed, grounded, and present. Overthinking kills it. Being yourself enhances it. Even before a casual meetup or first date, this shift can completely change how she perceives you. Before a date, try calling someone who loves you, someone who reminds you of your worth, a parent, friend, sibling, anyone supportive. Sighs. Hearing a familiar, encouraging voice lowers stress, calms your nerves, and reminds you you're already valuable. This calm energy becomes your emotional baseline. Women pick up on it. Walk in grounded, smiling, balanced, and you radiate quiet assurance. Chuckles. You're not chasing approval, you inspire connection. She'll notice the difference without even knowing why. When it comes to the date itself, ditch the usual dinner or movie. Ordinary doesn't create emotional spikes. Instead, plan experiences that spark excitement, curiosity, or even adrenaline. A scenic road trip, an escape room, salsa dancing, axe throwing, or a quirky concert. Emotions create lasting memories, and when she links those feelings to you, attraction grows naturally. Excited. Non-traditional settings let her see a side of you outside the friend box, shifting how she perceives you in subtle but powerful ways. Confidence also shows in how you handle social interactions. Treat waiters, bartenders, and everyone around you with respect, not to impress her, but because true confidence is visible in how you move through the world. Calm. Calm, clear, dignified interactions signal social competence, stability, and charisma. Thoughtful. Women notice even subconsciously, and it makes them feel safe and drawn to you. Finally, handle the bill quietly and confidently. Don't make a show or boast. Simply take care of it calmly, maybe while she steps away. Exhales. This demonstrates generosity, initiative, and control without arrogance. She notices this subtle maturity, feels safe, and respects you more, all without you saying a word. Don't rush the kiss. One of the biggest mistakes men make at the end of a date is going for the kiss too soon. Here's a simple truth. Restraint is far more magnetic than desperation. If you want her to remember you, don't try to seal the night with a kiss right away. End with a warm hug, a sincere, "I had a great time," and leave a hint of curiosity. Curious. Let her imagine what comes next. That gentle pull of anticipation creates emotional weight. Mystery makes her start thinking about you. It shifts you from the guy she barely noticed to the one she can't stop replaying in her mind. Thoughtful. Attraction isn't just clever words or well-planned dates. It's who you are in her presence and, even more importantly, in your absence. Most men get stuck worrying about her thoughts and feelings, trying to earn attention. True attraction starts inside, with a deep mindset shift. Women are drawn to men who grow and evolve, not because they're perfect, rich, or famous, but because they are consistently working on themselves. That's where stoicism comes in. It's not about suppressing emotion or being cold. It's about mastering your reactions, focusing on what you can control, and building calm, unshakable inner strength. Curious. When a woman senses you don't spiral from rejection or chase validation, something changes. She can't put her finger on it, but she notices you're different, grounded, self-assured, self-contained. Start small, read more, lift weights, set daily goals, practice stillness, and cut out habits that feed anxiety like endless scrolling or comparison. Thoughtful. When you are emotionally centered, women feel it. They lean in without realizing why. One of the most magnetic forces in attraction is psychological tension, the subtle dance of presence and restraint. Warmth mixed with distance, interest with a hint of mystery. It's the energy she feels when she's with you and realizes you're not trying to win her. Curious. You're simply present, comfortable in your own skin, and okay with how things unfold. Most men overinvest, overtalk, overcompensate. The men women crave sit quietly, speak with intention, listen more than they talk, let eye contact do the work. That presence builds tension. It makes her curious. It makes her lean in. Exhales. When she's thinking about you more than you're thinking about her, that's when everything shifts. Speak less, feel more. Don't try to impress her, try to impress yourself. Speak slowly, pause, let your energy do the talking. Share what moves you, what drives you, what truly matters. No bragging, no oversharing. When you speak from that grounded, authentic place, you stand out as real, thoughtful. That energy lingers in her mind long after you leave. Finally, remember this. Attraction is energy, not effort. You can plan dates, buy gifts, or send perfect messages, but if your energy is needy or desperate, she'll feel it. Calm, purposeful, and confident energy draws her naturally. All the strategies you've learned, intentional eye contact, memorable scent, subtle presence, social competence, emotional grounding, aren't about pushing her, they're about creating emotional gravity. You don't win her over, you pull her in. Most men try to convince women to like them, but attraction works differently. It's not about proving anything. It's about shifting energy. You become the man who doesn't chase but quietly draws attention, who smiles with his eyes, listens fully, and protects his own peace. Curious. That curiosity sparks desire. She'll wonder why you didn't rush the kiss, why she feels safe around you, why your scent lingers, why she keeps thinking about you. Thoughtful. That emotional momentum builds naturally. So, remember this. Attraction isn't about trying harder, saying the right lines, or planning the perfect date. It's about presence, energy, subtle confidence, and emotional gravity. thoughtful. When you become grounded, authentic, and fully yourself, you stop chasing and start pulling her in naturally. Small shifts, eye contact, scent, calm energy, thoughtful gestures, create lasting impressions that she can't ignore. You don't need to convince her to like you just need to become the man she can't stop thinking about. Stand tall, smile, stay present, and let your energy do the work. Confident. The women who matter will notice, and that's where real attraction begins. If you enjoyed this and want to unlock more secrets of attraction, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the Female Psyche, and comment the word magnetic below. Excited. Let me know you're ready to step into that energy and truly be unforgettable.